Welcome to MetaInfo Sci. This is the homepage for the MetaInfo Sci. You can log in with the metainfosci.com or .org. To start with this will give you the overview about the team and the features, and the gallery is for the upcoming information about the workshops and all. And this is about the team. You can uh, contact us from the contact us page, and then you can cite us by this link. So let's start with the dashboard directly. So to start with, click on the button get started. First you need to log in with this. With any Google account you can log in to MetaInfoSci, and you will get into this uploading page. So here you can upload two databases from Scopus and Web of Science. Presently Web of Science is deactivated and we have opened it only for the Scopus. If you do not have any Scopus data, you can use our sample data also. So here you can upload multiple Scopus formatting file. What you need to do from the Scopus interface, you type your query and download data as a CSV format or XLS format. So either you can upload a single file, you can upload a multiple file. So right now for the demo, I'm using the sample data, and then you click on the analyze data button. This will end up you with the column mapping. This is a very essential page. If you do not hamper or tamper any column name in the downloaded Scopus format data, then the data will be mapped automatically. These are the different fields in the data. If you want to select all the fields for the analysis, then you can click on this checkbox. Otherwise you can manually select the fields out from here. For collaboration analysis, we need all this information. Like for the manuscript information, I need only author keyword. If I didn't change the column name in my original downloaded data from Scopus, then auto suggest mapping will automatically map all the data with my interface. If there is no column, let's say index keyword in my data, then it will show you the gray here that you have to manually map it with your existing data. So right now I deselect it. So when the all column map, the preview button will be activated. If some doesn't map, it will be deactivated. So let's move to the preview. The preview will tell me the first 10 records about my data, that how my data looks like. If this is okay, then it also shows the message that 15 column I have selected for the analysis. If you re-upload the data, then you go to the back to upload button. Otherwise go to the dashboard. Dashboard will take you back to the overview page, right? So overview page display two kind of summary. Right now both the summaries are same, original data and the filter data. In my data we have the 910 papers, but if you want to change, if you want to filter out some data, for example here let's say I take a document type, I only want to choose these things, like say this and article books, and I apply filter. So it will generate a warning that if I apply filter, then the whole analysis will be performed on the filter data. So it's our choice whether we want to apply filter on the original data or we want to go with the original data. Later on, now if filter applied, now you can see the original number of records were 910 and the filter records are 893, and other summary also change accordingly. But later on you decided no, I don't want to go with the filter data, I need to go with the original data, then you have to re-upload the data from this button, right? Then after this page you have a basic summary of out your data. We have a 4 different components: BibTrail, SciTrace, Collabrix, Thematics. In BibTrail I have a different features like publication analysis, citations, document, journal, open access language. In SciTrace, I have author analysis, country analysis, institute analysis, funding, gender. They are presently deactivated. In Collaborix, it's all about networks and the centrality measure and the giant component and the communities. In Thematics, word cloud, bath topic modeling. There are yet other features yet to come because it is still under development and we need to upload little more features. To explain each and every features into this, I will go with the next video. Thank you so much.